Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we're talking about the Golgi complex. Okay, firstly, talking about the history of the Golgi complex. Camillo Golgi in 1898 discovered the Golgi apparatus. Right? It means this Golgi complex is also called as the Golgi apparatus in the nerve cell of barn owl and cat by metallic impregnation method. Right now, it means in 1898, these Golgi apparatus studies carried out. Okay, these are discovered in 1898. Okay, after these discover the different name. There is Golgi apparatus has been variety name. Okay, there are number of names present here. That is Golgi some, Golgi material, Golgi membrane, Golgi body. It means this Golgi apparatus is have the number of name present here. Okay, that is Golgi apparatus, Golgi body, Golgiosome, Golgi material, Golgi membrane, and the Golgi body. Right now, this is about the history of the Golgi complex. Then going toward the structure of the Golgi bodies or the Golgi complex. Okay. Firstly, what is the function of the Golgi body? Synthesis and secretion. Okay, understood this? Okay, Golgi bodies varies in size and form a different type of cell. Right now, it means Golgi bodies have the number of size present here or the varies in size. Okay, and form in different types of the cell, but they have a similar organization in all kind of cell. Right now, it means Golgi complex have the varies in size, but they have the similar organization in all kinds of cell. Right? For example, it is well developed in secretory and nerve cell. Okay, but is rather small in muscle cell. Right now, and these Golgi body are complained as a central stack pile of flattened sac or cisternae or many peripheral tubule and vesicle. Right? It means these Golgi bodies consist of the cisternae, tubules, vesicles. Right? This is about the structure of the Golgi bodies. Right? It means their structure for important points are present. First one is the cisternae, second one is tubules, and third one is the vesicles. Okay. Then going toward the first one point, that is cisternae. Okay. These cisternae vary in number. Okay, from 3 to 7. Right. In most animal cell and from 10 to 24 in plant cell. It means cisternae also have the vary in number. Okay, from 3 to 7 in animal cell, but 10 to 24 number in the plant cell. Right. After that, they are usually equally spaced in pile, so they are nearly parallel to one another, having 200 through 300 angstrom wide. Right, and intercisional spaces containing a layer of parallel fiber called intercisional elements. Right, and these support the cisternae and maintain a regular spacing between them. Right, the cisternae may be flat but are often covered, having a distinct polarity with a convex face toward the cell membrane and concave face toward the nucleus. In endoplasmic reticulum also we can see that the cisternae. Right now, here in Golgi complex also cisternae present. Right now, the number of the cisternae vary from animals to plants. Right now, their variable number present here. Right, their angstrom thickness is 200 to 300 angstrom. Right, and these cisternae have the regular spaces between them. It means they maintain the regular space. Right now, and they have the flat structure present here. Okay, and the convex face, you know that convex and concave face present, and this convex face toward the cell membrane, but the concave face toward the nucleus. Right, this is about the cisternae. They are free of ribosome and have a solen end. Here the free of ribosomes present. Okay, and they look like a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Right, it means the shape of this Golgi complex look like the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and here free ribosomes present in endoplasmic reticulum also. Ribosomes absent, and this shape is called as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum of the cisternae. It means a cisternae present in ER also and present in Golgi complex also, right now, and the similar structure present here, and are continuous with it at certain places. Okay, and this suggests that this Golgi complex is derived from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It means the origin of Golgi complex is from the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and the cisterna, it means single, is about 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter, and its cavity is about 100 angstrom wide. Okay, this is all about this cisternae. Okay, after that tubules, right? This tubules is a short structure is present, and they are also arises from the periphery of cisternae. You know that cisternae arises from the, it means these Golgi complexes arises from the endoplasmic reticulum, but these tubules arises from the periphery of cisternae. Okay, it means the pinch of ends of the cisternae, right? And some of these enlarge at their end form vesicle. It means these tubules are enlarged, okay, and then form the vesicles, right? Now this is about the tubules. Then going toward the vesicles, the vesicles lie near the end of the concave surface. You know that concave and convex surface present in your previous slide. Okay, we detail about that concave and convex surface. Okay, here this vesicle present in the end and concave surface of the Golgi complex, and they are pinch off from the tubules like that of the cisternae. Right now, these tubules are formed from the pinch of the end of the cisternae, but these vesicles are formed from the pinch of the tubules of the cisternae, right? And there are three types of the vesicles present here, that is transitional vesicle, smooth or secretory vesicle, and the coated vesicle present here. This point is very important. Tubules are formed from the pinch of the end of cisternae. These vesicles are formed from the end, pinch the end of the tubules, right now. And this vesicle have the three different types present here, that is transitional type, smooth or secretory type, and coated type, right? Then going toward the first one type, that is traditional vesicle. These are the small outgrowth formed from the traditional ear, and they migrate to converge or coalesce to cis face of Golgi where they form a new cisternae. Okay, it means transitional vesicles are the small outgrowth, and they are formed from the transitional ER. Then smooth vesicle. They have the smooth surface, that's why called as the smooth vesicle, and they contain the secretions of the cell, so they are also called as the secretory vesicles. Okay, it means they have the secretion present here, that's why called as the secretory vesicle, and they are arises from the ends of the cisternae tubules. Okay, then third one type of the vesicle, that is the coated vesicles. These have the rough surface. Okay, smooth vesicles have the smooth surface, coated vesicle have the rough surface present, means something is present here, right? And they also arises from the cisternae tubules. They play a role in the intracellular traffic of secretory protein molecules. Right now, you know that Golgi complex also called as a trophic center. Why? Because they are present between the nucleus and the plasma membrane. Right now, that's why this Golgi complex is also called as the trophic center. Okay, this Golgi complex have the three functional region: cis region, okay, that lies nearest the ER, middle region, okay, or the medial region in the middle, and the trans region with the trans Golgi reticulum. It means the three layer present here: cis region, middle region, and the trans region present here. And this region have a different enzyme which introduce different modification to secretory and membrane protein passing through them. Okay, this is very important point present here, and the principal modification is the glycosylation, that is addition of sugar to proteins, right, and forming the glycoproteins. Okay, Then going toward the three-dimensional view of the Golgi apparatus. Okay, here the different region present. You know that here the trans region, middle region, and the cis region present here. Right now, it means this Golgi complex have the three different region present here. Okay, here the cisterny structure, then tubules, vesicle structure present here. Okay, this is all about the Golgi complex, and this at the time of preparation of this PPT, this type of the reference use here. Thank you very much.